The Supreme Court of Ohio ruled a trial judge's misstatement about Ohio's self-defense law and his pretrial ruling did not invalidate a Hamilton County man's guilty plea. In a unanimous decision, the Supreme Court affirmed DeMarco Gowdy's conviction for aggravated assault stemming from a 2023 shooting at a McDonald's parking lot in Cincinnati. The court affirmed a First District Court of Appeals decision, which found that the trial judge's errors did not rise to the level necessary to set aside Gowdy's guilty plea. Gowdy argued that the judge coerced him into pleading guilty by prematurely deciding not to give the jury a self-defense instruction. This decision, Gowdy maintained, rendered his plea unknowing, unintelligent, and involuntary, violating his constitutional rights.
Mr. Gowdy, as I've said from the very start, told the trial court that he was going to raise a self-defense claim. It's only after the trial court misstated and misapplied the self-defense law that Mr. Gowdy told the trial court, "I'm in a box. You've ruled out my only potential defense, the only one I have ever raised or suggested I would raise at trial."
Writing for the court, Chief Justice Sharon L. Kennedy explained that Rule 11C of the Ohio Rules of Criminal Procedure governs the process a trial court must use to accept a guilty plea to a felony. The court generally vacates a guilty plea only if the trial court failed to follow the requirements of 11C. Despite the trial judge potentially making errors, the judge followed the rules when accepting Gowdy's plea.
After defendant consulted with counsel, there was a clear change of mind. And then the court, again, I believe, was very careful in whatever it said. And over and over again, repeatedly said that, "Mr. Gowdy, if you think we're coercing you, we're going to stop right now. We'll let a jury decide."
Gowdy was free to go to trial and request the self-defense jury instruction then, but he did not. The trial court complied with the requirements of Criminal Rule 11, and Gowdy has not shown otherwise, the opinion stated. Gowdy pleaded guilty to the charge and was sentenced to 4 years in prison.